Hi everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I'm coming in today with something I don't normally do, but I thought it'd be really fun to do today. I'm coming in with a big box, a 12 by 12 box. I just arrived from White Rose Crafts, and this is their new card kit collection. They have put together a package of goodies that you can buy off their website, and it's all fun, and I thought maybe it'd be fun if I did an unboxing and show you what's in it. I have literally opened it enough to so I don't have to cut it online or cut it while I'm filming, but I thought maybe it'd be fun if we unbox this together, so let's go for it. So we have a package of goodies. I'll get to that in a second. And we have some papers. Let's start with the paper. Ooh, there's little papers. I'm gonna get rid of the box because the box is huge. And I'm gonna flip the papers over. Okay, we have, starting off, and not gonna lie, I don't really know what's in here. I haven't looked. A list was sent out so we could know where things came from. I haven't looked at the list until now. I just pulled it up though so I can help say where things are from. Because if you don't know White Rose Crafts, it is an online paper crafting store out of Virginia. But what makes them really special and fun is they bring in a lot of international products and sell them with domestic shipping prices. So people in the United States can get international goodies for local or for domestic shipping prices. White Rose Crafts also has a lot of wonderful US based companies that they sell, but what I always think is fun is you can get some stamps and papers and embellishments that you wouldn't normally get in the United States without paying international fees. So let's get started looking what's in here. Our first thing is you get 3 sheets of petalics. I'm guessing it's like metallics, but petalics. They're pearlized 98-pound cover card, and it's in rose, autumn hay, which is really a really pretty like buttercup. Can you see how shiny and sparkly this is? This is very shiny. And then spearmint. So these are 8.5 by 11, which gives you either 6 card frames or 12 card faces, depending on how you cut. So, and these are out of, let's see if I can find where they're out of. The papers are out of Sweden. I may be wrong, but I think they're out of Sweden. Okay. And then we have, it says 16 6x6 papers from Peon Patchwork of Life collection. And they come in a 12 by 12 sheet, but you can cut them up to be 6x6. Oh, these are pretty. So let's see if I can get them on. There's a girl. I like the really small floral. I like that the imaging's really small, especially for card making, because when it's huge, it seems to take over. This is small. So those are 4 of the 6x6. Here we go. Oh, that's sweet. I have daughters, so for me, that is incredibly sweet. Some more small florals. And this paper is imported out of Sweden, just for those of you who don't know the brand. And there's the brand for anybody who wants to see it. Oh, pretty. I love the vintage feel of this. And I like that it's not just in pinks, it's in blues too. Again, that small floral. And then this is the last sheet of the 4x4s. Oh, fun. It's a patchwork down here and it's patchwork up here. And it reads, family is like a patchwork quilt with kindness gentle sewn. Each piece is an original with beauty all its own. With threads of warmth and happiness, it's tightly stitched together to last the love throughout the year. Family is forever. That's really sweet. And I love, again, this tiny little floral here. So those are the 6x6 Patchwork of Life sheets. Fun. Okay, and then it's one 12 by 12 sheet of toppers. Oh, these are real. These on their own can each be a simple, beautiful card. May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. May your dreams you hold dearest be those which come true, and the kindness you spread keep returning to you. This one up here says, may your life be like a wildflower growing freely in the beauty and joy of each day. Oh, again, I have daughters, so that makes me, I find that very sweet. Learn to embrace the storms of your life, since nothing grows without rain. So those are the topper sheets. Those are really pretty. Again, it's got that kind of vintagey. These are really pretty. Okay, let's move on to the stoof. the stuff. Let me pull it out of the bag. And there's inks, which are fun. These are Scrapberry inks. We'll go ahead and start right with the Scrapberry inks. Pull those out. I've got one more little piece tucked in there. Okay, Scrapberry inks. Scrapberry inks are out of Poland. These are, I've never used these, so I'm gonna pull out a piece of scratch paper. Let's see, do I have a little stamp laying around? I don't have a little stamp laying around. My desk is somewhat clean for my desk, so I'm just gonna go straight onto it. So this one is green. Ooh, that's like an evergreen. That's a really pretty green. Hopefully I didn't just smudge through. No, I did. Okay, that's a really pretty green. And this one is pink. Ooh, that's a very bold pink. That's much brighter than I would have anticipated. So these are called stain inks. Yep, that's as much as I've gotten. That's as much as I can tell you. They're stain inks, but look how bright that, I mean, those are really bold colors. I'm gonna set it up here to the side to see if it dries and changes color any. If it does, I will bring it back. Now let's see what everything else is. So we've got some lace. Let's see. This is double-edged lace, and the lace is out of China. Ooh, and it's a lot of lace. But that's, can you see that? Yeah. It's, here we go. We've got some black cardstock cut up. There we go. That's really pretty lace. And I bet you it's really soft, so I bet you it'll take color if I ask it to. So there's the lace. And let's pull these out. These are Sparkle Blend, and they're patchwork. And the, oh, this is fun. Okay, so this is Doodle's Paper Playground. It's a brand new sequin company. And every package they make is limited edition. But this one, this package, the patchwork, is exclusive to this card kit. So this is only available through the card kit. Now you can get Sparkle Blends, I know, from White Rose Crafts, other packages, but this one is exclusive. Oh, I love it. It's the colors of the paper. Oh, there's lots of little, one of the things I love about Sparkle Blends, can you see the little, there's lots of little itty bitty pieces in it. Oh, and this one's new. I haven't seen Sparkle Blends put these in. It's the petal leaves. So yeah, Sparkle Blends have tons of gorgeous, gorgeous sequins and sparkles in it. Let's see if now you all can watch Fascination if I can get it back in. Can I get it to go back in the baggie? Everybody hold their breath. Nobody blow. Ha! I win. So, okay, these are the Sparkle Blends patchwork. And then we have some beautiful little roses. And as you can see, everything's been put together and assembled so that way it coordinates with everything. Oh, and these come apart. Okay, so these are not locked in here. Let's see if I can figure out where. So there's some beautiful flowers, and it looks like, yeah. And then, oh, we've got a package of embellishments. We'll open them up and dump them out. So let's start with the wood ones. So we've got some wood embellishments. And these are, okay, so my little notes that I have is the wood and charms are Kaiser and Scrapberry. I don't know which is which, but some are Kaiser and some are Scrapberry. I love that this sits flat. Does this one? Yep, see, they both sit flat. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to slide them to the side. It's going to keep working our way through what's in the box. Okay, we've got some hearts. I think they're hearts. They're all hearts. Ooh, they look like they're from handmade paper. Like this one you can see there's... They look all like it's handmade paper, die-cut hearts. There's gorgeous texture on these. If you can't see it, trust me, there's some really gorgeous texture. I'm going to slide those to the side now. Okay, I'm going to pull out some flower-shaped rhinestones from Kaiser Scrap. Buttons. I love buttons. I love buttons. I am a button person. Let's see if I can get my fingers working. So some really pretty buttons. And I like how the kit has floral rhinestones and then floral buttons. I think that's a nice touch. Let's see. We're all going to play Can She Get It Back Into the Bag? Almost. Almost? No. I see I have failed miserably. You all feel free to laugh. Enjoy yourself at my expense. Okay. And then we have some pink rhinestones, and they're adhesive. And then there is a stamp set included in the card kit, and this one's from Kaiser's Craft. Oh, this is really pretty. It goes so nicely with everything, with all the papers and all the embellishments. So it's floral and a butterfly and another little floral. Ooh, I really like that. It looks like the dots aren't perfect. And it says, "You are simply amazing." And then, "Hello, beautiful." There we go. So this all is, let me see, I've taken it apart and made it not neat. But this is all from the April 2018 card kit. All month long, I'll be showing different projects you can make with the card kit. So make sure you tune back in to see what I do with the stuff. And I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox. It intrigues you. Till next time, until when I get to start actually playing with all the toys, have fun crafting. Bye.